Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku and I'm gonna teach you guys. Hi guys, today we'll learn a beautiful unicorn. So for the unicorn, you need a pencil, eraser, your paper and your paint. So let's get started with our beautiful unicorn. For the unicorn, we'll first do an oval shape here. Can you make a nice and good oval shape? Very good, good job. So this is going to be the body of the unicorn. Take your eraser. You can erase some extra line. If you have some extra line, you can erase that. Now can you make a curvy line going upward from here, and then another line which will come down all the way over here. So one curved line which will go from the bottom and go until this area, and then another diagonal line which will come over here. Now I'm making another curve. From here, I'm starting coming down over here. Do not go too much in. Just make a straight curve going toward the left side. And from there, you make another straight line. Make a curve, which will go here. And make another curve here. And whatever is the gap in between this area, you can just connect it with your extra line. You think, let me repeat one more time. You made one curve here, another curve over here, nice and small curve for the mouth, and this part is kind of like a U shape. If that's easy for you, make a U shape over here and then another curve over this area. Now I'm gonna make the eyes right here, big circle and a curvy inside and a small circle. Big circle, curvy and small circle. Very nice. Good job. Oh, we're gonna make the horn here. So you make one, like two. It's kind of like a triangle shape. So make some triangle shape here. Okay, so this part is done. We'll do the hair later. Right now, we'll do the legs here. So for the leg, what I'm doing from here, I'm making one curve and which will come another curve toward the bottom. It's like an arrow shape here. And we'll do the same thing, but I'm leaving plenty of gap over here. One curve, another curve here, and then you can make a curvy line which will come from here and connect here. So many curvy lines are there. Okay, and you can take your eraser and erase this line in between these two lines. There we go, very nice. Now I'm making another leg over here. This one will just make a simple curve here. Another curve from here. And nice bend which will come and connect this part. Now we're done with the back legs. So now we'll do the front leg. As this is our flying unicorn, so we'll make one line coming down, make a U-turn here, and go back up again here. Very good. Now take your eraser and erase this line in between two straight line. In between this, we'll do one more leg over here. So it's going toward the front, going a little forward. Curve here, go back, and then connect here. Good job, guys. Very nice. Now can you erase this line over here as well? Very good. Now we'll do the wings over here. So for the wings, I'm starting, make a curl and go all the way up here. Okay, and from here we'll make one curve, two curve, three curve, four, and connecting over here. I'm not connecting to the point we started, I'm connecting to the side. All right, and then we'll make another curved line from here, which will go finish over here. It's not finishing all the way to the end. Okay, if you have any extra line inside, you can just take your eraser and erase the extra line. Now we'll make the tail here. So for the tail, you make one, two. There's two line we'll make first. So this is going to be our top part of the tail. So this is going up and coming down, make a curve and a curl at the end. Very nice. Now I'm gonna do over here. You will start, it's not going that much up like this one. It start bending over here, make a curved line, come and connect right here. There we go, very nice. All right, now we'll do the ears. So for the ears, you make a petal shape right here and you make another petal shape inside that. As we can just see one side of the ear, we're not doing the other side here. Okay, and now let's do the beautiful hair. One curve, you make another curve from here, another curvy line. So I'm doing here 3 or 4 of them. Very good. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna connect this line here, over here. First line here, second line, bring down, make a petal shape and connect it, make a petal shape and connect it. That's it. Very good. Now whatever lines you have inside this, you can erase that. So take your eraser and erase those lines. Very nice, good job. Also we need to do one more petal shape here. Sorry, there you go. Okay, and any line inside, you can erase it. We'll add some more hair over here. So for that, make a curvy line going up and coming back again. If you want, you can add one more. There we go. Let's make it a little bit more curly. There we go. And if it's the same thing, if you have any extra line inside, you can just erase the line. Very good. Now you're making a line. Make a nice cute line here and a nostril here. Alright, so we are done sketching our beautiful unicorn. Now we will color it. But before coloring it, make sure you trace the outline with the color pencil. Now I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to erase the line, the pencil line. Make sure you go very light. Now I'm going to color inside and make some eyelashes here. Also, I'm going to color the nostril here. Also, if you want to make some lines inside for the rainbow color, you can do that. Also, if you want to add some clouds here, you can make some clouds. Maybe some here. So let's start coloring now. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any videos which I upload every week. So kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description. This part of the body part of our unicorn, I'm gonna use a little bit of gray. So if you do not have gray, you can dilute your black with a lot of water and use that. See, I'm using just a little bit of gray. Face area. Some part. And I'll do the legs as well, same way. Not a lot of color, it's very less color you use here to the face and the legs, and also we're going to do the wings. Very good. You take your gray and you can just color the wings here. So this one, I'm not coloring the entire part. I colored a little bit. And I'm just applying plain water over here for this nice blending effect. Also, we'll do the same thing for the clouds as well. For the clouds, I'm using my gray, but not all over the place. Some areas. Just a little bit here and there. And you have to wait until this part get dry. After that, you can use your rainbow colors. Otherwise, all the colors will come inside this gray area. So we don't want to do that. So let's wait for 5 minutes. And after that, you can just start coloring. Alright, my unicorn is dry now. What I'll do, I'll just color this one inside with the yellow. Entire part. Very nice. Make sure you go slow so the color does not go outside of this line. Okay, now I'm gonna take my red and I'll start coloring the hair over here. So I am going to take, you can use any other color as well. You can, if you want to use blue first, you can do that. any color. If you want to use pink, you can do that. But wait for a few seconds before you go to the next color. Now I'm going to take my orange. I'm coloring the next one with the orange. Color the next one yellow. I don't have more space here for the entire rainbow color, but yeah, if you have more of this hair, you can just add different colors. I'm using my blue right here. And I have one more color left, which is my purple. So I'm going to take my purple and color this one. My purple is kind of a little bluish, a little dark. There we go. And this part will connect over here. For the tail, I'm using my red here. And filling all this area. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know how you guys like it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe so you can see more videos. I upload videos every week, so don't miss it. Also, for the ears, I haven't added any color on that time, so you can just add a tiny bit of gray. So that's it. Now we have our beautiful unicorn here. So bye for today. Hey guys, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe the channel.